West Michigan loves to work with West Michigan, and getting us all together at one place really helps people to know what's local, how they can help each other, and how we can help West Michigan grow instead of just...
So shows like this allow us just to interface with customers and let them know the company wouldn't be able to do.
We're basically trying to get people to think about new possibilities for their factory.
Not only are our customers the people that are walking the show, but the exhibitors are a great resource for us, both in terms of things that we look to purchase and also resources that we can provide to them as well.
So it's important for people to come out and just get up to speed, because nobody's got time to sit and read half a dozen periodicals. You can talk to people, you can see, what might fit maybe today, maybe down the road, but out there.
Is learning a whole bunch in a short period of time. As an exhibitor, it's getting access to potential new clients.
So many manufacturers whose main problem is they're not being noticed. So when you come out to events like this, that's you getting out into the community, letting them know that you're there, and letting them know what you're doing in your facilities.
Technology that we have available, let's sit down and figure out what kind of solutions that we could put together for you. And you've got businesses coming in here, professionals.
This is a really great event. Anytime that you need to be working on your business as opposed to in your business, you should do something like this. Get out of your day-to-day, talk to other people who are doing something similar or totally different than you, and just get an awareness of what's happening in the manufacturing industry. This is the place to do that.